So things to remember here is, so any line which intersects the line intersection of the two planes is an edge. If that is an edge, it must lie on one of the planes. And next thing is, the line cannot be parallel to the line of intersection. Using these two, first you can calculate the line of intersection of these two planes. It will be x by 0 equals to, because p1 minus 3 p2 will give us 16x equals to 0, which will give us x equals to 0. After which we will get 5y 20. So this is something, and the direction of the line of intersection can be calculated by the dot product of these two, the cross product of these two, which is 0 comma minus 64 comma 8, which is 0 comma minus 4 comma 5. So this becomes y upon minus 4, and the point which lies on this plane is 0 comma 5. 0 comma 0 comma 5. So this is the line of intersection of these two planes. So any line which is not parallel to this, so that's all of these, and if it intersects the line of intersection, this line, then it must lie on one of these planes. So from these two facts, you can see the answer will be A, B and D. So basically you will have to check all the if these two conditions, and based on these, C would be rejected because it intersects this line 4 comma 0, 0 comma 4 comma 0 lies on C and lies on this line, but as you can see, this line is perpendicular to the plane P2 and it does not lie on the plane P1. So that's why C won't be the answer, and similarly you can check A and B and D will satisfy either of these conditions, and hence it will be on the answers.